I cannot wait to open this and share what's inside. Okay. I feel like there's gonna be like a huge mascara. So there's different steps. So it says open me first. So let's see what's inside.
What?
Meet next. Oh, oh my god. Tripod. And then it says extend the selfie stick to capture and measure all angles. So it came with a measurement tape as well to measure your lashes. That is so cool. And look at this little bag. And of course, it's personalized. And save the best for last. Of course, I have here the mascara. Oh my god, I can't wait to try.